The popular misconception is that Elizabeth didn't really regard her mother at all. She only mentioned her twice in her life. In fact, she mentioned her a good deal more than that. But you can see why Elizabeth didn't make a song and dance about her mother, because she'd have been upsetting swathes of the population by aligning herself to a woman who'd gone down as a scandal, really, as the great whore, as she was known. So Elizabeth had to be careful not to associate too closely with her. But that said, she expressed her loyalty in subtle ways. She promoted her Boleyn relatives at court. She wore Anne's jewellery. She had a locket ring that contained two portraits, one of Elizabeth herself, the other of her mother. And that locket ring was kept in a locked casket by Elizabeth's bed until the day she died. It was clearly one of her most treasured possessions.